Díoghuit agus fáilte. In this video we're going to look at 5 words in the Irish language beginning with the letter B. So let's start with this word here, bouta. This is the Irish word for occasion, as in an event. Bouta, occasion. Is cuimhin lum bouta a wine? I remember one occasion. Is cuimhin lum bouta a wine? The next Irish word then is Bron. Bron is the Irish word for sad or sorry. Tá Bron orm faoi sin. I'm sorry about that. Tá Bron orm faoi sin. Tá Bron orm cur isteach ort. I'm sorry to disturb you. Tá Bron orm cur isteach ort. Our third word, beginning with the letter B, is Bala. This is the Irish word for home, Bala. Tá sé ag tarlú ag Bala. It is happening in my home area. Tá sé ag tarlú ag Bala. D'fhág sí an Bala le dul go America. She left her home to go to America. D'fhág sí an Bala le dul go America. Bala can also mean town as well as home. So, for example, Bala beag Suibhneach is a quiet little town. Bala beag Suibhneach, a quiet or peaceful little town. Our next word then, beginning with the letter B, is Benúsach, which means basic. Benúsach. Bhí an lóistín Benúsach go maith. The accommodation was pretty basic. Bhí an lóistín Benúsach go maith. Rivera Benúsach is a basic computer. Rivera Benúsach. And you could also use the following phrase, go Benúsach, which means basically, go Benúsach. Go Benúsach níl sé uhu. Basically, they don't want it. Go Benúsach níl sé uhu. And our final word then is bia. This is the Irish word for food. Bia. Bia mara is seafood and bia úr is fresh food. Another extra bonus word then, also beginning with the letter B of course, is Bala. Bala means meal and could be used in the context of using the word bia, which is food. So Bala is meal. Mar hampla. Di she Bala blasta. She ate a delicious meal. Di she Bala blasta. Carcalor, anish tome creekna. Alright, now I'm finished. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and you can always subscribe for more videos just like this. Slán go fóill, agus gurb magat.